So if you're watching this video, it probably means you just joined ALX. So that's fine. So you're welcome. So I'm here to help you though. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can activate your Ubuntu 20.04. But before that, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon because I'll be helping you out a lot with almost all your taxes. So don't be surprised. You'll be giving many taxes, as many as 20 or 25. So, but when you start, you'll be given like three, the babyish kind of. But by the time you grow, and you'll be doing like 20, you understand? So, anyways, it's overwhelming, sha. But you'll be asked to do that thing. So you can run your Ubuntu. But don't worry, I will show you how I did everything in the video. How I did it. Then I will help you with them, create me tags and some of the directory names, CD, change directory, LS. But make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell icon. Then if you want to join our Telegram channel, where we help people out, just go to the description section or the comment section, then you see. So if you want to activate your terminal, you go to get a sandbox, then you go to terminal. That's how you activate. How you see your terminal. Then you can start writing. But you can't write using your phone. You can only use your laptop unless you are using iPhone. So only those that are using iPhone can write on the terminal. It won't write. You get. So this is the task you'll be given. I think for the first day, this is the task you'll be given. So you can see man, ls, cd. So cd actually means change directory, ls means, so this is my laptop. This is the interface of for my laptop. That other one I showed was the interface on my phone. So you click on get the sandbox then web terminal to activate your web terminal on your laptop. You can see. So then I type cd space root. That's to go to your root directory. Cd space slash forward slash root. That's to go to your root directory. So you press enter. Then when you press enter, ls to list what is in your root directory. Do you get? So you can see that there are some things in my root directory, maybe because I've created some things before. But if you want to use your phone, you click on the okay, then touch. That touch is used to create a file. So touch soku, then enter. So I want to create a file named soku. That's why I put touch. You can use many, you can use cat, you can use Vim, you can use emac. Do you get? So you can use nano to create a file. So there are many of them. So then list again. So then pwd, that's to print your working directory. That's the pwd. Don't worry, you get to know all these things. When I started, I didn't know I didn't know it as well. So you get to know everything. So this is you can see my phone. You can see my phone refused to press. I was trying to press one or two things. Then when I minimized my phone and came back, I noticed that those things I pressed actually pressed. So I can't go and be minimizing and coming back. So I just have to abandon the web terminal using I now started using Tamox. So if you want to learn how to use Tamox, there is another video I'll be dropping. You can learn or you can watch how to use Tamox. When you first install Tamox, it might be it might not work. So you have to learn what you need to do. So to access this thing, you go to server. To access your Ubuntu 20.2, you go to server where you have server. So when you get to server, you click on server. I think I was covering, so click on, okay, you can click on server, then you see the Ubuntu 20.20. So I think I use server. Yes, I can remember I use server. So I don't know why it has been long I edited this video though. So I'm re-editing again. So because of you, I'm re-editing. So you can check your code and everything is correct. So just like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so you get notified whenever I drop new ones. Do you get? So I think this was when I went to activate the Ubuntu. But I've activated it. That's why I could do my tax. You understand? If you've not activated, you won't be able to do your tax. So I think I did that at the end. So you can see the Ubuntu. I went to server, then you see the Ubuntu 20.0 for then you click on run. So once you click on run, it's going to run. Then you can start using your web terminal. Without this, you can't use your web terminal. Do you understand? So I think I clicked on run. Yeah, I clicked on run. Not I clicked on run, then it ran. Then I started using my web terminal. So make sure you subscribe and watch other videos I'll be dropping. Other videos, many other videos will be loading. So not this one actually. So I'm going to remove all this then. So I'll help you to tax. So